Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here from toolhoper, or toolhoper I guess it is, and it is a snap lock punch. And so the way this kind of works, this is what the device looks like here. I took it out of the box, and so it's kind of a crimper there. It'll kind of go like that and squeeze it in. So that's kind of it. It has a little lock on it there, so you could keep it closed if you want to, if you're not using it. And so the way it works is if you have something like this here, like crimped over, like for a gutter or something like that, and you wanted to attach it to something else, you kind of go and you put your other item under it there, and then we can go, I'm trying to do this here one-handed. Wow, man, I can't even grab it. Okay, and then so you'll put it over there like that, and then I can squeeze it, and it'll crimp it and make it go. So it makes a little divot in there and hold it in place. So when you're putting up gutters and stuff, if you need to have them attached, let's see, I'll just go 3. So there we go. So now I've crimped this, you see, and now this other item stays firmly attached to it. So you got a nice little crimping tool here, and it's by toolhoper. And this is it here. See if there's anything else there. It says crimper tool. Nope, that's it. So super cool. Thumbs up.